Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This video is going to feature the campground at Fall Creek Falls State Park in Spencer, Tennessee. Now this video is only going to feature Loop E. However, I have done videos of all of the loops, including the walk-in sites, and if you want to see those, check the description below. I will have links for those. This campground has just over 200 sites. All of the developed sites have electric, water, grills, and picnic tables, and about half of them also have sewer on site. That being said, there are dump stations available. There's also bathhouses with hot showers and flush toilets, as well as laundry facilities. Campground Loop E, sites 206 to 222. Coming in from the entrance here and making our way around this corner, 206 is going to be right here on the right. Let's turn around. It sits at a decline, and the bathhouse is directly behind it, and that is the only bathhouse for this loop. 207 is also right here on the right. It also sits at a decline. .208 is right there with the van. And I believe it sits at a bit of a decline as well, but it's a wide space. Trash cans there. .209. Now with 209, as you can see here, there's the walking path to the bathhouse. So, expect there to be lots of foot traffic right outside of your trailer. Maybe not ideal. .210 will be coming up here on the right-hand side. I don't like this one because the two campers on either side behind you are quite visible. 211. Again, it can be a pro or a con depending on how you look at it. At the back side of 211, you have the connection to the walking path to the bathhouse. So if you need the bathhouse, that's great. But if you don't, you might have to contend with quite a bit of foot traffic once again. .212. And pretty much the same situation, not to be redundant, but bathhouse right there. And then we have a camp post right there, site 213. Then we have 214. Which Jason seems to like this one. And then 215. It's not bad. Slight decline, but it's a nice area. 216. $217. And are you saying this is a pull through? Okay. So this would be unbelievably huge if that's the case. Let's go ahead. Not that I don't believe him. I just want to walk the whole thing. Yeah, 217. Yeah. All right. He's right. Here you go, guys. 217. Let's turn back around to look at it again. Pretty nice size pull through. It does have a bit of an incline, but it's wide. 218 is here on the right.
Probably best site I think we've seen the whole time.
He seems to think this is the best side. I don't agree actually, but he likes it. I'm not going to walk down this one, but it's got a nice wide area. I mean, it is nice, don't get me wrong. I just wouldn't say for me it was the best one. But let's keep moving. 219. The gravel is a little bit uneven. Slight decline, but it's nice and wide and lots of woods, as you can see as well. Now 220 is here with the pop-up. Sits at a bit of a decline, but it's not too bad. 221 is occupied. Sits at a bit of a decline. 222 is quite level actually. Not the widest, but it's level. But you know what? No, I don't know if you can see just beyond there. You're looking right into the other, actually 3 campsites. So no, I would not say 222 is great if you value your seclusion. Well guys, that's it for this loop. And I hope this was helpful and that maybe this helped you to find the best campsite for you. If so, go ahead and like, subscribe. It lets me know that these videos are useful and I'll keep them coming. Have a good one. We'll go ahead and take a look inside the bathroom here. And I did verify that it's empty. So they're not the most modern, but they're functional. And let me kind of show you what the showers look like. There's a few showers and a few stalls. And I did use the shower already. But yeah, you can see again, it's not going to be the most modern, but the bathroom is heated. And as far as the water, I will say that don't expect a hot shower, but you will get a warm shower. And while it's not modern and updated, it is clean. Every time I've come in here, it's been nice and clean. And here we are. Got the laundry facilities right here. And laundry, here we go. Nothing fancy, but looks like they have plenty of machines. It's $2 to wash, $2 to dry, coins only. Let's go ahead and take a little look at the general store here. Got wood for sale. Now this wood is a little cheaper than what's at the visitor center. At the visitor center they did charge $8 per bundle. Looks like they got a pretty good selection here. A lot of food, a lot of beverages. They even have a nice little supply of basic RV needs. Look at that there.
Yeah.
Water hoses and yeah. Splitters, all kind of things. One of the best general stores I think we've seen at a campground. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope you guys enjoyed the video today and your time outdoors with me. If so, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. That way you can join me on my next adventure. But until then, be good to yourself and do something that makes you happy today.